All right, so we're going on our daily walk as a family. You know, we're trying to get a little healthier, so every time I come back from work, I go on a daily walk with my wife and my son. Hi, handsome boy. Yeah, you're walking with papi and mommy? Yeah. Whoa, the school bus. Yeah, and I mean, since we had our baby, our active lifestyle has gone a little down. I like to walk and do workouts at the house, but you know, it's not the same as going to the gym. Yeah, let's cross. And now we made it a routine to go on a walk around our neighborhood every time I come back from work. So that's what we're doing right now. And I'm gonna drink this Celsius that my wife got me. You got it right?
Know it was
she didn't know it was fizz free, so it doesn't have carbonation. Well, let's see. It's probably gonna be like just like an energy drink without the fizz. Let's see. Open it real quick. All right, for the thumbnail.
too bright.
Too bright. Oh yeah. It's a good flavor. Blue Raz lemonade. But yeah, it's without the fizz. I mean, it's okay. I guess it's for people that don't like the I guess it's for people that really don't like the fizz, huh?
Oh, but it's good.
But it's like, why wouldn't you like the fizz? I think fizz is like the best part of an energy drink.
Some people they can't drink that. Or no people.
Like carbonation?
People maybe don't like that feeling.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just like more like a juice.
Yeah, so I think we should just get into the topic of daily walks.
Oh, he burped.
Oh, he burped.
I wonder if people like knows already.
Like, oh look, is that?
And there's a couple here.
Oh look, is that couple? They're walking again. Is it really 2 o'clock already? Yeah, because we always come around this time. Yeah.
I would say like people who work or something. Right here. You see us like, oh, is it?
Like, oh look, it's them all the time. And no, yeah, and it's true because at my job there was this one route where I would go to Santa Ana. And like around, let's just say 7 o'clock, I would go by the same street. And every single time I'll go on that street, there'll be that same guy running.
Oh yeah.
Running around that same block. And yeah, like days will go by and I'll go back to that route, and on that same street, I'll be like, oh, let me see if I see the guy. And yeah, he's just like running. So yeah, I'm sure people notice us. Especially if they always come down like at around the same time. I just realized that I don't have my mic, so it's probably picking up the noises of everything else. So hopefully the commentary sounds good. If not, I feel like in post I could just edit out all the background noise and just kind of like enhance my voice. But oh well. Let's go through here. Oh, look at that bike. I'm gonna get you one of those. So you go to Target.
Why would I just walk?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so I kind of want to start doing more of these videos where it's like It's me living my life with the camera in my head and just talking. I think it's very interesting. A lot of people really are into other people's lives. As weird as that sounds, people are interested in seeing other people's lives. Do you agree on that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I like looking at other people. I like seeing other people's lives.
Yeah, and I think Instagram and Snapchat, they really prove that, because you just look at everyone's stories, everyone's Snapchats, and it's like, or even on YouTube, you know, you look at these point of view construction workers, and you're like right there sitting down having no knowledge on construction workers, and you're just like, oh, that's so interesting. So I was like, you know what, I think that seems like a good idea, taking you guys along with me. And this is just an afternoon walk around the neighborhood. Like I said, got a good Celsius.
If you want to put it on the side, just move the bottle.
No, that's fine. Hi, handsome boy. You're looking at all the cars? Yeah. Oh, there's a bike. Bike coming. Moving over. Oh, there you go. Oh, man. Let's take a walk. Let's take a walk. And yeah, I probably look like an idiot to like a lot of people outside. I know they're probably just looking at me like, what does this dude have on his face? What is he doing?
But I feel like now it's so common.
And I was literally just gonna say that.
Like,
so you read my mind. Nowadays, they probably just see a camera on someone and they're probably just like, he's a TikToker or Instagrammer or YouTuber. Like literally,
I see it everywhere.
today I saw a guy on a bicycle, and you know how sometimes they wear helmets and stuff, and he had a GoPro. But I mean,
the day that I went to go get a pedicure and I went to Target, when I was done getting a pedicure, walking towards over there to Target, there was a guy outside his car, but he was like running for, I don't know what. He was recording, like he had a tripod and he was tight, and he was like, and I was like, I'm gonna pass by. I'm gonna his video. But no, like I was going and I was like, and I was just kind of going a little slow.
Yeah.
But then he stopped and I guess he got his final chart or whatever. He put it up and he went in like by his car, and then I passed by. He's like, oh, that's fine. And then
you're like, oh, you're like, I feel you. my husband's the same way. Yeah.
I was like, I'm gonna walk behind him. I went by him. But no, oh, that's it. Stop. He finished recording and he put it away. He was just like, and since I passed by right there, see.
Yeah, papa. Yeah. You're like, mommy, that was so interesting what you just said.
Salud.
Whoa. Bless you. And yeah, for a lot of you guys that are new here and have been seeing my videos, you guys know that I've been mainly posting like car rides, and they were kind of like done in an ASMR fashion. But I kind of want to still do that, but maybe just start talking like about different things. And we'll.
Oh, boring.
Yeah, I know. Because I think I even experimented. I clicked on one of my videos, and I don't know if it's just because it was my video, that I just sat there for like 3 minutes, and I was like, next.
Yeah.
So it needs to be interesting. So I need to.
You have something because you're.
No, but there's a lot of people that do the same types of videos like that, and it has like hundreds of thousands of views. It's because ASMR is like a niche category where people stay for the long videos. Yeah, but I was like, you know what? I think it's much more funner if people hear you talk, because then they get to know you. So for a lot of you guys that maybe haven't really seen my face because you guys are new, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This thing hurts on my head. Or actually, I'll show you guys later. Right now, I don't feel like it. Right now, I feel like, hold up, I feel like this camera's falling.
Your juice is gonna fall.
No, it's not.
The top, like,
This one?
Yeah, no.
No, it's not gonna fall. Yeah, so introducing my two side characters of my YouTube journey is my son Anthony and my wife Kimberly. So you guys can get to know them. This is Anthony Jr. because my name is also Anthony. First son, firstborn. So handsome. He's about to be 4 months in. Oh, I thought I had my watch. I was like, in 3 days. And he's so big already, so chubby. Mr. Chubster. Yeah, let's go. Oh, there we are. I don't think it turns yellow right away. No? Nah. Yeah, we're gonna make it. We's gonna make it. We's gonna make it. Go, 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 go. My fire. My one desire. Oh look, there's actually people there now.
Oh yeah,
So,
someone's trying to get married.
yeah, they're getting married. This is where we got married, guys. We got married here on July 1st, 2024? 4, huh? I'm sweating. Yeah, 2024. It's about to be 2 years already this July. Crazy, huh? Crazy how time flies. I know there's a lot of married couples out there that are like, oh, 50 years. And we barely have 2 years and it feels like we got married such a long time ago. And now we have this little guy right here eating his hand. Yum! Yum!
Yummy.